Wait, what the? Hey, where's this from? Maybe I should just open, I guess. Oh, wonder who that can be. Oh, hi, Tom. Hi. I just need to get something. Okay, what do you need to get? Oh, something. I left something in here. Oh, go ahead and get it. I don't know what you left. Yeah. This is what I left. The present thingy. Jigger. Oh, I thought it was for me, I guess. Yeah. Sorry. Bye. Bye? Wonder who's giving it to. Maybe you just watch. Huh? What is, huh? Great, you made it to the LPS spot with me. Why wouldn't I? Well, I don't know. Well, oh, is that for me? Of course. Why wouldn't it be? Open it. Oh my gosh. Can't believe it's for me. At the store. You got that for me? Well, yeah, why wouldn't I? Oh, you're so the sweetest. Oh, her hugging him? I thought that was for me. Huh? Don't pay any attention. Whoa. Get off of me! Hello? Go away! What's wrong? Nothing. Just go! Oh! Leave me alone! Oh! Get out! I'm leaving. I'm totally leaving. Pack my bags and put on my scarf. Now put on my scarf. Scarf, whatever it's called. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm totally leaving. Everybody here is crazy! And ferocious, and it's winter, so I need this. Where's my tail? Oh, here it is. Can't even find my own tail. Okay, I'm leaving. Wait, where are you going? Leaving. Oh. I'm leaving. You ferocious monster. I can't believe it. You over that ugly cat. I hate you. I hate you. Thanks a lot.